What's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com. Let's go hands-on with the all-new Huawei Nova 3i and see what it has to offer. Before I actually get started, Huawei also launched another premium mid-ranger called the Huawei Nova 3 and my video on it is already live on my channel, so definitely go ahead and check out that video as well. I will leave a card right over here as well as a link down below in the description. With that out of the way, let's start talking about the Nova 3i. When talking about the Nova 3i, something that you can't ignore is the resemblance of this device to the flagship P20 Pro, at least in design wise. The Nova 3i tries to bring a ton of value to the mid-range market this time around, still with 4 awesome cameras. We will definitely have to put these cameras to the test, and let me know down below in the comment section what are the videos that you guys would love to see featuring the Nova 3i. Oh, while you're at it, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now, and if you want to see all of my Nova 3i coverage, definitely hit on that notification bell icon to stay updated on all of my content, and definitely go ahead and share this video with your friends as well. First, let's talk about the specifications of the Huawei Nova 3i. This device packs a 6.3-inch display. Even though the body size is similar to the Nova 2i from last year, this time around Huawei has shrunken down the bezels, added a notch, and made the Nova 3i fit into the same form factor by having a 6.3-inch display. The Nova 3i packs 4GB of RAM and 128GB ROM. The Kirin 910 processor is powering the Nova 3i. Talking about the cameras, at the back there is a 16 megapixel as well as a 2 megapixel camera, and at the front there is a 24 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera. There is a 3340 mAh battery inside the Nova 3i, and this device is running on top of Android 8.1 Audio along with EMUI 8.2. I love how the device feels in my hand with the metal and glass, but the back of this black color version is a fingerprint magnet. So I highly recommend you to get either the white or the iris purple. So the iris purple is the color that I showed off in the Nova 3 video. So definitely go ahead and check that out if you want to see some close-ups of that awesome color. Something sad this time around is Huawei still sticking to the micro USB port on the Nova 3i. It's 2018, everything is moving to USB-C. Even the Nova 3 has USB-C, so I think Huawei should have gone with USB-C here. And the lack of fast charging is also a bit disappointing. So I've actually been using the Nova 3i for the past 2 weeks now, and it actually feels like a polished device, but I really want to put this device to the test, and I will be making my full video review right here on Andro Dollar, so definitely stay tuned for that as well as other videos that you guys request for me to make. Having a look around the device, at the front we have 2 cameras along with sensors in the notch. At the back we have 2 more cameras along with the flasher and the fingerprint scanner. On the right hand side we have the power button as well as the volume rockers. On the left hand side we have the SIM tray. Up top we have the noise cancellation microphone. And at the bottom we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, the micro USB port as well as the speaker. Just like with the Nova 2i last year, even this time around the Nova 3i is packed with a ton of software features, so we definitely need to explore all of that. Definitely stay tuned for a video on that as well. The Huawei Nova 3i is gonna be available in Sri Lanka for 49,900 Sri Lankan rupees. And if you are interested, I will have links to where you can buy it down below in the description. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely go ahead and smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the behind the scenes and updates of the Nova 3i along with the Nova 3 and camera samples and all the performance updates will be posted over there. So definitely stay tuned over there for all the behind the scenes. With that out of the way, drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the Nova 3i, and definitely stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.